welcome. Here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now we have to focus on show grid lines button, because here we can get access to our leveler also. So by just one tap we can turn them on and another tap to turn them off. When we have them turn it on, we have to tap on the bottom of this button, so we can get access to more options about them with straighten, so our leveler. Here also by tapping on it we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. When we have it turned on, it appears here with the grid. So this is how it looks like, and as you can see, this is how it works. The leveler is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And as you can see, when this line is at yellow color, we can be sure that we hold it steady. And of course, when we don't need it, we have to move back to right corner settings and simply tap to show grid lines to turn off all of it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.